Imaduda, I'm known to always speak of the rogue politicians of the Eastern Cape. Hi guys, Kamalam Dingubudlu. Ndingunolali where Gunai. Today I wanna focus on leadership, or rather leaders of the Eastern Cape, not necessarily just political leaders. I wanna start with the one that's currently emateni, uNqabayo Mzikwankwa, who is seemingly going to take over this Eastern Cape. I was so surprised that uKwangwa Gandhi is educated. Firstly, he's, I don't want to say a boy from Kuqoboqobo, but he's the son of the soil from Kuqoboqobo who matriculated ukhulele wagqiba imatric yakhe kuqoboqobo kwisikolo ekuthiwa kusemzamomtsha high school in kuqoboqobo. Then he went to CPUT, wenza diploma, wenza BTech. He's got some qualifications in Kwendlebe from Gibbs, that thing of rich people and politicians and business people. I don't know what that institution is, but I don't know if they just give money to get qualifications. I don't know. I don't know the credibility of Gibbs between me and you. However, we see abantu abanemali, they graduate from Gibbs. He also has become in economics, honors from UNISA. Now that's impressive. That's impressive on his wanting to take over the Buffalo City in East London. That's quality between me and you. I also learned that he was in the banking sector. That speaks to me. I used to work at Absa Hemingways. He was in the banking sector, then he went to politics. That's something, especially for a random person from Kuqoboqobo. You know, when we speak of those small towns, we don't asiboni into okanye bantu banosuka kwitown enjena kanti there's the likes of Dr. Vuyo Dlela Phansi. I want to speak on Dr. Vuyo. I actually googled her. Now, Dr. Vuyo is obviously the director at one of the biggest municipalities here in the Eastern Cape, but if you allow me, I want to tell you something maybe you didn't know about Dr. Vuyo. Yes, we know that she's educated, masters ezimbini, she's got PhD, she's pursuing MBA, she's blah, 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 blah. She's the goals of the it girl in academia. However, did you know? Dr. Vuyo is just a girl from Ekeskamauk, Kuqoboqobo herself. She she matriculated at St. Matthew's High School. Then wayokwenza diploma yakhe usu, just like everyone. Then ke ngoku seyene masters nentoni njena. What is interesting for me and what makes her shine apha kum, it's her, what she did with the influence that she has. Ngeli xesha, I should think it's when she was coming from either OR Tambo District Municipality or the Office of the Premier or Treasurer. I can't remember where she was. However, Dr. Vuyo does something that's, I'm always going to give her flowers. When you usuka ezilalini, umzekelo mna, njengoba ndisuka eTsomo njena, I'm not going to allow abantwana bahambe bencuchalaza bekhangela better life ndikhona ndinobanceda. That's exactly what Vuyo Dlela Phansi does for young people, young girls rather, that are in matric. Uthi uGoogle about yena, she asks from her prominent, educated, high Godulo's friends to donate. Kaninikezeni lokho wethu ezingasakulinganiyo nezihlangu I just want to give to kids in schools around Kuqoboqobo. How human is that? Usisifundiswa, usisinxiba mxhaka. You so educated, yet when you make it, you still think of where you come from and still think of a way of helping others. But today is not about Dr. Vuyo. I just love her. You know, I'm always praising her. In fact, when I'm making examples and speaking with young people, I make example of her. Today is also, is rather Sislindo Nzoyi's birthday. The CEO, Chief Executive of the Amatola Water in the Eastern Cape, the only water board in the Eastern Cape. It's a birthday today. I mean, she's an entire CEO of the whole provincial water board of the Eastern Cape. That is a girl, a normal girl from Mdantsane. I don't know if this is going to motivate someone, but it should. Ladies and gentlemen, if you allow me, there's some leaders that we never talk about, we never recognized, and today I wanna give, it's not flowers, flowers, but there is a leader by the name of Mr. Thukela Masholoku. His surname is sounding rather not from the Eastern Cape. Kanti ngumntana omgquba wase kanti ngumntana omgquba waseQoboqobo. Mr. Thukela Masholoku is the CEO at Chris Hani. I was surprised that we have good quality of people in Chris Hani. Ngumntana omgquba waseQoboqobo. When I read his portfolio, look, I googled him also. He's gotten his ukhulele wa matriculator eQoboqobo. That's what Google is saying. And wafunda ne-college yakhe kula agricultural college ise-Fort Cox phaa kuQoboqobo. Sencho, that's his junior. He got a diploma in agriculture. Then he goes and does a degree in agricultural economics effort by Alice. Then he has MBA, and I'm sure ugqithele kwezo zinto, but currently he's the CEO. He's one of the most humble people abasuka from nowhere. When I say nowhere, from the towns like iQoboqobo. Do you understand? Of course, I'm not gonna link Itsomo to this because Tinda, we have Omlokoti, we have Obutluxolo, Mantambo, September, we have Asanda, Magaqa, we have Lunga. What I'm trying to say is that no. Eastern Cape does have quality, not just rogue leaders between me and you. Let us occasionally look into the good side or the good elements of this Eastern Cape province. As if we a chance. And it shouldn't always be the case that we're always criticizing the leadership. There's also good things that are happening. Good people that are produced by the Eastern Cape that are abawaiver iflag yethu see Eastern Cape province. I'm very proud, man, of the likes of Dr. V, Vuyo Dlela Phansi, or Mr. Nqonqo Vuyo Mlokoti, or Oluxolo, September. Those prominent people that when their names are mentioned, people pay attention. Those are people that we look up to.